So if you want to avoid toxic relationship, then you need to set these non-negotiable boundaries. And this is what Mary Magdalene is going to talk about. So I'm going to channel her. She is going to come with the water dragons and give you short and sweet advice on how to prioritize your well-being and also set boundaries and what do you need to do to have good relationship and work on your trust issues. So if you want to book a private channeling session with me or Mary Magdalene or any of the beings I channel, you can scan this QR code or check out the link in the description. Or if you want to learn how to channel like me, then also you can check out the link in the description. I'm going to channel Mary right now. Dear one, I am Mary Magdalene, and I bring you today's transmission with the water dragons, and together we wish to talk about the emotional turmoil and the trust issues that has become a huge theme on your planet right now. A lot of people are not wanting or willing to partner with anybody, and that is because a lot of you have experienced a betrayal of your trust in relationships. And I urge you to find the trust within, to trust yourself. Remember, all trust issues that you experience towards the other is a trust issue with yourself, where you feel that you haven't really done justice to yourself by inviting a negative person in your life who ruined you. As long as you keep that narrative on within your mind, in the back of your mind, the more you're punishing yourself for trusting the wrong person. Now remember, there are no mistakes. You simply experience your soul contracts because that allows you to experience who you are. So if you have experienced a relationship that you do not prefer, then I invite you to introspect as to what do you prefer? What do you want in your relationship? What would you like in your relationship? And how can you articulate what you wish honestly to the person you are wanting or wishing to date? Remember, not every person that you meet is going to meet your expectations. Every person is unique. What you need to find is somebody who's going to meet your needs and whose needs you also effortlessly meet by just being yourself. So remember, the key to happy relationship is just being your authentic self. That is all you need to be. And if somebody rejects you for being your authentic self, then know that they are not the right one and move on. Instead of taking the rejection personally and feeling you're not good enough. You may experience a lot of rejections, but that does not mean that there are no people on this planet to meet your needs. You will always find the right person if you release your negative beliefs and traumas around relationships. So I urge you to do more therapy, do more coaching, to be able to let go of all these notions and traumas that have hurt you so that you can start trusting yourself again. Because trusting yourself will allow you to trust somebody else. The moment you start trusting yourself, you will believe that you are capable enough in choosing the right person, or you are lucky enough to find the right person. So introspect your belief system and notice what is creating your reality, because your beliefs are subconscious in nature. So we urge you to, if you feel like consulting this channel, because this channel can help you find your limiting beliefs and releasing them. So You can also consult any other coaches or therapists who you trust, but working on yourself or doing the inner work is the need of the day so that you can live a happier life because you are unconsciously creating your reality from your subconscious mind. So we urge you to go within and do the inner work so that you can have a happy and fulfilling relationship. Thank you.